Hello and good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Matholics. This is the amazing class for CBQs, especially CBQs, case-based study questions, and we'll try to cover some MCQs also. Okay, for class 10 maths, board exams 2025-2026. Yes. So we will be starting the session in next 1 minute. Till then, kindly share it with all your friends so that we can start these amazing set of questions. We have such 9 or 10 questions for CBQs, which are actually not expected to come directly in exams, but related to these concepts, sure and sure you will get something in your exams. Okay, so hello, 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 hello. So, am I clearly audible and visible? Yes or no, sir? Fast, 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 fast. Yes or no? Am I clearly audible and visible? Yes or no? Yes, sir. I am clearly audible and visible. Yes, my voice is clear. My audio is clear. All is well. All is well. Fast, fast, fast. All is well. All is well. Yes or no? Fast. Okay. So let's start the session. The question says a craftsman thought of making a floor pattern after being inspired by the above design to ensure accuracy in his work. He made the pattern of the Cartesian plane. This is the coordinate axis. Okay, the x and the y axis. Okay. Now he used regular octagons, squares, and triangles for his floor tessellation pattern. That means octagon is what? Anyone in the comments? Octagon is a polygon having 8 sides. Okay. Squares 4 sides, triangle 3 sides. So you can see this is an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners, right? And this is a square, this is a triangle. Okay. Now, question says, what is the length of line segment joining B and F? Joining B and F. What is point B? What is point B? Tell me. A, B, C, D. Where is A, B, A, B, A, B? This is B. What is the length of line segment? I'll mark. Don't worry. I'll mark. So this is points B and F. Okay. Points B and F. So when you connect B with F, when you connect B with F, where is F? A, B, C, D, E, F. This one. B to F. First you have to find the coordinates of B and F. Yes or no? First you have to find coordinates of B and F. Yes or no? Yes. So what are the coordinates of B? Coordinates of B, this is 1, this is 2. So x equals to 2. Right. Wait. Let me have this set again here. Wait. Okay. So we can solve it. Yeah. Okay. Now we can solve it here very clearly. Done? Okay. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. Now, what is the length of line segment joining B and F? What is B? So this is B. Okay. What is F? So this is F. Okay. This is point F. So connect B and F. You have to find the length of B and F. Okay. This way. What is the coordinate of B? What are the coordinates of B? Anyone? What are the coordinates? What is happening? Huh? Uh, 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 Okay. Not clear. Coordinates of B. X is 2. No, X is 1 and y is 2. That means 1 comma 2. What are coordinates of F? What are the see, this was the coordinate of B. Coordinate of F, x equals to obviously minus 2. This is 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So for this, x is minus 2 and y is 9. So minus 2 comma 9. Now find the length of BF. Can anyone tell me what is the length of BF? Yes or no? You just have to find the length of line segment joining B and F. So how to do? Put like this. So BF equals to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square, or x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So 1 minus minus 2. 1, or do it like this, minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 9 minus 2 whole square. That will be what? Root of minus 3 whole square plus 7 square. Minus 3 means 3 square, 9. 7 square, 7 7 is 49. So it is under root of 58 units. Don't forget to write units, okay? Don't forget to write units. So BF is equals to under root 58 units. First answer, number one. Okay. Next one, how to solve? Next one, how to solve? Tell me. Next one is the center Z of figure will be on the point of intersection of diagonals of quadrilateral WXOP. What is WXOP? Let's mark it here. WXOP. W, yes, W. This is W. This is X. O. Where is O? WX. They are saying the center Z of the figure will be the point of intersection of the diagonals of quadrilateral WXOP. WX. Where is O? Lemon O. This is O. WXO. And this is P. Right. So they are saying the center Z of the figure. Okay. This figure center Z. Okay. Will be the point of intersection of diagonals of quadrilateral WXOP. Connect WX like this. OP. You have to connect W with X, X with O. Okay. OP, then W with. You can see properly this is a quadrilateral, yes or no? Is this a quadrilateral, yes or no? Yes, sir. How many of you are present in the class? Tell me, present, sir. Yes or no? How many of you are present in the class? Let me have the presence. Let me have the presence. How many of you are there? Let me see. 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 Okay, whatever. Now see. If this is the figure, they are saying the center Z of the figure will be the point of intersection of the diagonals of. Okay, what is, where is Z? I don't know, P, Q, R, X, W, X. Where is Z? Where is Z given in this figure? I think we have to plot it. Okay, we'll plot it. Let's see. The center Z of the figure. Okay. The center Z of the figure will be the point of intersection of the diagonals of quadrilateral WXOP, WXOP. Okay, let's make the diagonals. Oh. Color. Join this by this, okay? Like this. No. This and this. Okay. From here, it's here. Okay. So this way I have to connect the diagonals. This way I have to connect the diagonals. Okay. They are saying these are diagonals. These two blue lines are diagonals. Now, center Z of the figure will be the point of intersection of the diagonals of the curve. Then what are the coordinates of Z? Just find the coordinates of Z. Let's say this is the point Z. You have to find the coordinates of Z. Now for that, you first have to find the coordinates of different points. What is coordinate of W? W, it is -6, and Y is 2. So W is -6, 2. And what are coordinates of O? Coordinates of O, that means X is 5, like this. See, X is 5. Yes, sir. 5. So 5, what? Sorry. X is 5. What is Y? Y is 9. 5, 9. Just find the midpoint of this figure. That's of this line. That's it. WO. Find the midpoint of this line and get the answer. Midpoint. How to use midpoint theorem? Anyone? How to use midpoint theorem? Anyone? Yes, this sum is a bit confusing. That's why we are doing. We have to do confusing questions only, right? So W and O, P and X. There is no meaning of solving easy questions now. Okay. First thing. Second thing, remember number one. Okay. Now this line and this line are intersecting at this point Z. You have to find the coordinates of Z. You must know how to find the coordinates of midpoint. Right. We have already done that. This is the point. Okay, sir. This is the point. Then how to do? This is a line. Say coordinates of this is W and this is W and this is O. Okay. Then what are the coordinates of W? It is -6, 2. What are coordinates of O? It is 5, 9. So how to find the coordinate of Z, which is actually midpoint of this, because this is clearly forming a rectangle. Yes. So z will be x comma y. Just use midpoint formula. X will be equals to x coordinate of this minus 6 plus x coordinate of this, that is 5 by 2. So that will be minus 1 by 2. Similarly, y will be equals to x coordinate of this 2, y coordinate of this 2, and y coordinate of another one also, and y coordinate of this, that is 9. So 2 plus 9 by 2, that means 11 by 2. The coordinates of z will be what? Nothing but this comma this, minus half comma 11 by 2. This way you have to solve. This was the second part, right? What are the coordinates of the point on y-axis equidistant from A and G? What are the coordinates of the point on y-axis? That means this is the y-axis. Yes, sir. Equidistant from A and G. This is point A. And where is G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. This is point A. Let me mark it with pink color. This is point number A and this is point number G, right? So point on y-axis. You copy first this one. This one you must copy. Then I'll make you understand the other one also. First, copy this one. Copy, copy. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Copy. Done? Okay, let's move forward. So this was second part. Now we are solving the third part. What the third part says? What are the coordinates of the point on y-axis equidistant from A and G? So take out the coordinates of A and G out of this question. See, I know this question is complicated. That's why it is here. That's why it is called as case-based study questions. What is case-based study questions? You are given cases. And you actually, kids, not only you, people in my age also, they get confused in such questions because these are cases, you know. Nobody has the time to read the cases and get into that situation and then think. No. You just have to think to make easy, how to make it easy, right? If this is case-based study question and this is complicated, so try to bring out every question out of this. Out of this, collect the data out and then solve it. Now they are saying, what are the coordinates of the point on y-axis equidistant from A and G? That's it. So what are A and G? First focus. What is A? What is G? So this is A, point A, right? And this is point G. Okay. Now what are the coordinates of point A and G? That's it. Write down, write down. What are the coordinates of A and G? A, what is A? It is -1, -2, -2, comma 2. A is -2, comma 2. What is G? What is point G? It is -4, comma -7. How many of you can see this? -4, comma -7. How many of you can see this clearly? Hmm? Sorted? Yes, yes, yes. Can we move forward? Yes. Sorted. So just think, now these are 2 points. These are 2 points. We have to find a point on y-axis. Let's say the point A and G, we write it here like this. This is A, this is point G. Hai na? What is A? A is -2, comma 2. Done. What is G? If it is -2, comma 2, what is G? It is -4, comma -7. Am I writing the coordinates correctly? -2, comma 2. Yes, sir. And it is -4, comma 7. Yes, sir. Now, we have to find coordinates. What are the coordinates of the point on y-axis? Equidistant from A and G. Let's say the point is this. Let's say the point is this on the y-axis. On the y-axis, which is equidistant from both of these. That means what? You connect this and you connect this. Let's say this point is ABC, because whatever, say, let's say this point is O. Let's say this point is O, right? So its coordinate will be, because it is on the y-axis, y-axis. So x coordinate will be 0, 0, comma. Let's say coordinate is 0, comma x. Let's say the coordinates of this point is 0, comma x. How many of you understood that if this is on x-axis, y will be 0. If it is on y-axis, x will be 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Sorted? Now see, if this is on, why I'm not able to see your comments? Where are the comments? Where are the comments? Okay, here there. No problem. So we have to just equate these two things. That's it. That's it. So point on this axis says that this is equal to this. So write what? Simple. You can treat it as its not as its midpoint, but you have to use distance formula. So according to distance formula, this distance will be under root of -2 minus 0 square plus 2 minus x whole square. -2 minus 0, 2 minus x. Under root of -4 minus 0 whole square plus -7 minus x whole square. So this is the condition, right? See. Got the point? I think yes, right? Don't treat it as midpoint. I'm saying this is not the midpoint. This point is equidistant. This is not saying that this is on this line. No, it's not said that it is a straight line and this point is on the line. No, it's not said like this. You just have to treat it as a point and equate the distances by using distance formula, right? So using distance formula, what we got? We got under root of -2 minus 0 whole square, 2 minus x whole square. This is under root of -4 minus 0 and -7 minus x whole square. Now, first thing, 0, comma y. You must write 0, comma y, not x, 0, comma y. Because point is on the y-axis. This is very simple thing, but yes, you have to take care of this also. Okay. Instead of x, you must write y. Okay. Why I have written y? Because on the point on the y-axis will have the x coordinate 0, but y will be there, so we'll write 0, comma y. So -2 minus 0 whole square, 2 minus y. Now this. Okay, and this is -4 minus 0 and okay, done. Now it is under root of -2 minus 0 means -2 square 4 plus simply this is 2 minus y whole square equals to under root of -4 whole square 16, and this is -7 minus y. If you take out common minus and negative square is positive, it is nothing but 7 plus y whole square. How many of you got this point? How many of you got this point clear in your minds? Huh? This is typical. Obviously, this is typical. So, squaring both sides, we'll get 4 plus, what is 2 minus y whole square? Open it. 4 plus y square minus a square is equal to minus 2ab. 2 2s are, it is 4y. Right? This is minus. This is minus 2 minus 5. Okay. Now, next thing will be similarly 16 plus. This under root has gone by this under root. Okay. By squaring, these under roots have removed. 7 plus y whole square, a square, b square, 2ab means 49 plus y square plus 2ab means 2 sevens are 14y. Okay. See, y square got cancelled, right? Bring the y on one side, 4 and 4, 8 minus 4y equals to 16 and 49. Add 49 and 6, 55. 55 and 10, 65 plus 14y. Okay. I think everyone is comfortable in these calculations at least. Yes or no? 16 and 49. If it was 50, 15, 16, 66, 65. Okay. So now bring y on this side. That means minus 4y minus 14y equals to 65 minus 8. Yes or no? And when you it is minus 18y is equals to 65 minus 8. Is it 57? Is it 57? Check. Check, check, check. Is it 57? Yes or no? Sorted? Okay. So 65 minus 8 is 57. So y equals to what? Minus 57 by 18. This minus gone there and 18 on the downside. So 3 6 are 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are. That means minus 19 by 6. The coordinates of the point will be what? 0 comma 0 comma minus 19 by 6 is the final answer. This way you have to calculate. Okay. So this part you can copy. Just checking the answer. Yes, minus half and 11 by 2. Okay. Minus half and 11 by 2. That was okay for that part. Minus half and 11 by 2. Our answer was also that. Okay. Yes. And this part you can copy now. See? So try to bring the part out of that question, not in that question only. Okay. Copy it. Copy, copy, copy. I think it's done now. Let's move forward. Done, done, done. Yes or no? Fast. What is the area of trapezium AFHG? Trapezium AFHG. Here it is. You can solve it like this. AFHG. So connect AFHG. Write the coordinates. What is the area of trapezium formula? Half into sum of parallels into distance between them. Okay. So half into sum of parallel lines into distance between them. Now what are the parallel lines? This and this are parallel lines. Remove this. This and this are parallel. So sum of parallel means sum of these lengths. Find this length, find this length. Add both of these. Half into sum of that, and distance between them means what is the distance? If this point is at a distance of 2 units, this point is at a distance of 4 units. So this distance is what? This is 2 units. Okay. So do it yourself. I'm waiting. Do it yourself. This is the solution. Sum of parallels, you have to first find the length of this. How to find the length of this? See, you don't have to use distance formula. Up till this length, up till this point, can you see? Wait. Can you see this distance is 2 units and this complete is 9. So this remaining will be what? 7 units. Yes or no? That's what I'm saying. If this is 2, this is 9, so this is 7. If this complete is 7, this is 4, so this is 3. So distance is something different. This is 2, but the length of parallels is what? 7 and 3. This is 7 unit, this is 3 unit. So half into 7 plus 3 into distance between them 2. 2 get cancelled, 7 and 3. 10 square units. Unit you must write. Square units. Copy, and I'm waiting for you. So do you think that CBSE will ask obviously yes. Why not? Why not? How will you be able to think like this? You have to think. This is normal coordinate geometry question. This question is very normal. It's not so extraordinary that you are getting scared of what. Okay, normal question, but just you have to make your uh, just you have to activate your senses. Okay, you have to be very very conscious. That's it. Nothing hard calculations is there in these questions. Okay, these are very simple questions. If done, so we can move forward to next question. What's the next question? Let's see. Okay. These are set of good questions. Okay, not so questions which actually you see in your normal exams. Okay, this is question. This came and oh wow. No. Done, 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 done. Tell me. Okay, let's move forward. So this was the spider web question. Okay, these type of question. This is actually flooring. You see, this is actually flooring. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. This way, actually, these points are arranged. Right. Okay. Let's go to some another good question. Now, the school auditorium was to be constructed to accommodate at least 1500 people. The chairs are to be placed in concentric circular arrangement in such a way that each succeeding circular row has 10 seats more than the previous one. What does this mean? Have you all seen auditorium in your lives? Have you all seen auditorium? What is an auditorium, right? The auditorium is like this. See, 5 people, then 15 people, then at 10, 25 people, then 35, then 45, and then 55, and so on. For example, right? For example, okay. Now, if this is the same, they're saying, oh, 1500 people at least must be accommodated. Okay, sir. If the first circular row has 30 seats, how many seats will be there in the 10th row? What does this mean? What does this mean? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Hmm. It's like this. Okay, like this, right? And so on, right? So they are saying if the first circular row has 30 seats, this is 30, this is 30 seats, right? How many seats will be there in the 10th row? In the 10th row, how many seats? That means it is increasing by 10, a set of 10, obviously, right? They are saying that each succeeding circular row has 10 seats more than the previous one, right? So first will be 30, another will be 40, then 50, right? Then 60, and so on. Yes or no? And so on. So how many rows, how many seats in the 10th row means you have to find A10. So A10 will be A plus 90 using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D for nth term. Nth term is what? An is equals, oh my god, wait. An is what? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So first term is 30 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, 9. 9. What is the common difference? It is 10. So 30 plus 90, it is 120. Copy it, then we'll move forward. 120 seats you must write, okay? Then you'll be having full marks, okay? 120 seats in the 10th row. Copy it, then we'll move forward. Copy, 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 copy. Done, done, done. Can we move forward? Okay, okay, let's move forward. Okay. So this is the first part. Okay. Got the point how to attack these type of questions, right? Seeing such big question doesn't make this is some rocket science question. No, it is damn easy. Okay. Second part. For 1500 seats in the auditorium, how many rows needed to be there? For 1500 seats would mean total seats 1500. That means sum to n term is 1500. Okay. A is given, D is given. You have to find N. Do it like this. Sn is what? Sum till n terms is 1500. They are saying total 1500 seats should be there. Okay, sir. So this is Sn. Put the value of Sn as 1500. Formula for Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Use this formula. Put the values n by 2, 2 into 30 plus n minus 1 into 10 equals to this. Solve it and get a quadratic in n. Right. Get a quadratic in n. This will be n square plus 5n minus 300. This is the final quadratic equation. Why I was saying that yes, quadratic equation means the foundation of class 10 arithmetic area. Quadratic equation comes in arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is how you actually see different chapters getting involved into different chapters. Okay, so this is quadratic, n square plus 5n minus 300. I have done it by splitting the middle term. You can do it by using quadratic formula also. Copy it and tell me if there is some problem. Copy it right from here. Second part is for 1500 seats, how many rows need to be there? How many rows means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N you have to find out. Copy it. So I've been scoring around 90 pre-board exams. I always lose marks in MCQs. What should I? MCQs are the main area in which actually toppers also lose. We'll be having MCQ sessions very soon. I think, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll be having MCQ marathons. Okay, we'll be having MCQ marathons for class 10 maths. Need not to worry. Don't worry. How many of you are actually scoring more than 90 marks in board exams? I am actually having something good for all of you. But those MCQs marathon will be in Hindi language, not English. Yes. Okay. Can we move forward? Everyone has done. If everyone has done, can we move forward? I think it's done now. Okay. In this way, you have to solve CBQs, case based study questions. Okay. This is the only way to get you ahead, right? So, in next, I think 30 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes, in next, we'll be having Ask Your Doubt session for class 10 maths live on YouTube. Seen nowhere else, nowhere else other than Matholics. We'll be having, I guess, 25 to 30 minutes from now. We'll be having ask your doubt sessions. Okay, so you can ask your doubts also. We are trying actually. We are having some network issues. That's why the classes actually are not in the proper time zone. But okay, we are trying. We are trying. Network issue is really a hurdle for us these days. Now, if there were 17 rows in the auditorium, 17 rows, right? How many seats will be there in the middle row? Okay. If there were 17 rows in the auditorium, 17 rows, how many seats will be there in the middle row? 17 rows would mean from A1, A2, A3, A4 till A17. Which one will be the middle row? First find which term will be the middle row. Then find the number of rows. That means find the value of that term. That's it. Okay. So, if there are 17 rows, the middle one will be 8, 6, 8, 8, 16, 8 and 1, 9th. Ninth row will be the middle one. How? 17 plus 1, this you can find 17 plus 1 by 2th term. That means 18th by 2, that means 9th term. Or you can think like this, 17 people are going, right? So 8 people here, 8 people here, middle one will be the 9th one. Okay. So A9 you have to find. That means A plus 8D. 30 plus 8 into 10. That means 110 seats will be there in the which row? Which row? Ninth row. So, sorry, ninth row, that means the middle row of this series. The middle row of the series, right? This is A1, A2, A3, A4 till A17. Ninth row will be the middle. Okay. You can copy this, and that's it for today. We'll be having another session tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Take care. I love all of you. पढ़ते रहो, लड़ते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो. This is the solution. Do not skip this solution. Bye. Take care.